Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm basically teaching you how I got these nails. They're fabulous, right? So if you want to see how I got these, I did a little DIY video, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So I started out by choosing the nail polish color that I wanted to use. I just chose this really pretty orangey baby pink one. And these are all of the supplies that we're going to need. So we're going to need some glitter or any kind of decals or anything you want, a nail file, some artificial nails, I got these from Daiso, some nail clippers, these are the two kinds that I use, some nail glue, the nail polish colors of your choice, and a top coat. This one is my favorite by Sally Hansen. First, I filed the surface of all of my natural nails. This is going to allow for the fake nail to adhere a lot better and stay a lot longer. I also used the file to push my cuticles back. I probably should have used a cuticle pusher, but I didn't have one, so I made do with what I had. So I continued to do this to all of my nails, and just so you guys know, the glue that I had was dried out, so I bought another glue that you're gonna see. But then I went and measured the nails and just kind of figured out which ones fit my fingernails first. And I like to pick all of them first and then glue them rather than to do it as I go, because I feel like it's just more organized and it makes everything a lot faster. So after I picked all of the nails out, I went ahead and glued them. I ended up using this glue I got at my local beauty supply store because the Kiss one was extremely dried out that you guys saw in the beginning. I just pushed the nails in and pretty much made sure that they were on there well. You want to put enough glue so it covers the entire surface, and then this is what it should look like after. Next, we're going to shape the nails. I used these nail clippers to cut the sides of it because I wanted like an almond shape. However, I didn't cut off any length. If I would have cut off length, I would have used the other clipper, but I didn't need to because these were as long as I wanted them to be. And of course, I went in with the file just to make the oval shape on the nails. And this takes some practice, but eventually you will get it. It's not really that hard. I went in and painted my middle finger, my pinky, and my thumb with this pink oily polish. And I did give this 2 coats, except you're only going to see 1 coat, but I did give it 2 coats. And then I poured the glitter that I wanted. I mixed the gold and the pink together, and I just poured it into this container and mixed it with the end of a brush. And I painted my ring finger and my index finger with this polish, and I just wanted it to be a lot more glittery, so I took a nail and I scooped up the glitter and kind of sprinkled it onto the nail on top of that polish, and that actually made it adhere to the nail. You could also use the nail glue if you would like, but I only use the polish. Of course, there I go, going in with the second coat of the pink polish. And then we are done. So I let those dry, and then I went in and applied a top coat, and that is everything for my DIY nails. Alright guys, that was everything for this nail tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more DIY videos, just give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and then leave this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video. If you want to see updates and stuff on when I post and stuff, since all these logarithms are changing and all of that, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see my Instagram stories, because I always post all my new videos on there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will talk to you on the next one. Mwah. Bye.